Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Start us off, we'll take a look at the current radar imagery out there, where we do see some reflectivity moving through the area in the form of some scattered showers with a line of thunderstorms off to the west, currently in line with Richmond and I-95. Those are going to continue pushing eastwards throughout the day, and we'll likely see that convective activity get here in the following hours. We also have some improving conditions as far as visibility goes. We have seen our visibility come up a good deal over the last 30 minutes or so, in conjunction with those increasing winds, of which we are anticipating to continue doing such as we move into the afternoon and the later hours of today. Now, looking ahead to the next 7 days here, we can expect a largely improving trend for the overall weather pattern, with not too much to make note of and over the next few days, aside from some below average temperatures and the slight chance of seeing some scattered snow showers in the PM hours of tomorrow. But nevertheless, starting with Tuesday in the top left here, we'll see that cool and breezy conditions continue to overspread the area, especially those breezy conditions sticking around earlier. And that's as that cold air filters in on the back side of this departing system that we are seeing here today. And we'll then see high pressure begin building in overhead. We can anticipate seeing highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s tomorrow, with Wednesday looking to bring much of the same and high pressure continuing to build in overhead. And then if we look towards Thursday, again to the top left here, we'll begin turning that corner and see those temperatures look to trend closer to our seasonal average, and we'll see a trough pushing off to the east, and that is going to then usher in some largely dry conditions for a stretch that should last through the weekend, although there is an exception of during the weekend seeing a clipper up moving through the Great Lakes region and into the northeast, as that does look to bring some very slight rain chances at the moment, but certainly a possibility. And we'll see a ridge kind of start pushing in from the west and moderate those conditions further as we close out the week ahead. Now, for the 24-hour forecast for today, certainly seeing some changes as of the earlier forecast, increasing those rain chances to account for these scattered showers. Although they remain light at the moment, they do look to have built in more so in line with our area as they stream across the region, and also introducing some convective possibilities as a result. And we're just moving the timing forward of the initial rain getting here for the rest of the day. Winds continuing to stay on track, elevated and gusting at times. We are currently under a wind advisory and anticipate that remaining through the rest of the day until we see winds slowly start trending downwards tomorrow morning. And for our visibilities, certainly saw visibilities down in the gutter this morning. However, they have since improved, so again, still on track with the forecast. We do anticipate those once again kind of deteriorating along with the approach of that frontal boundary later this afternoon, and in conjunction with some of the heavier rain expected later today, which is also noted on our risk chart. And then tomorrow morning should see some clearing conditions. For the short-term risk chart on Tuesday, anticipating partly to mostly cloudy conditions, some lingering slightly breezy conditions earlier in the day, and a high in the 40s, low 40s at that. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy, seeing a slight chance of some scattered snow showers in the area and a low in the upper 20s. And then for Wednesday, mostly cloudy and a high around 40 degrees and green across the board. And that will bring us on to the 7-day forecast for the days ahead, in which today we are seeing the 100% chance of rain and thunderstorms push through the region, anticipating that clearing out early tomorrow morning, introducing some slight chances of scattered snow showers with those cooler temperatures in place for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then we'll start to see moderating temperatures and things slowly climbing closer towards our seasonal average, with Thursday looking to clear out as far as sky cover goes, and over the weekend might see a clipper move through, so a slight chance of seeing some precip on Saturday, with partly to mostly cloudy conditions to round out the week ahead. And that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Be back at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief come tomorrow morning. Hope everyone has a great day.